The left side of the above picture is the height of lifting knife. The appropriate height of lifting knife is prerequisite for the normal operation of the module. The right side of the above picture shows the evolution of the working state of the electronic Jacquard machine, including State A. The electronic Jacquard machine is adjusted to the transport state and transported to the weaving factory. State B. Installation and debugging. The electronic Jacquard machine is only a part of the weaving equipment. And there are also loom, harness, reading, etc. Usually, the electronic Jacquard machine is installed and debugged in the weaving factory in the following order. 1. According to the location requirements of the weaving factory, the electronic Jacquard machine is installed. There are certain requirements for its three-dimensional coordinates, and the level is adjusted. Two. Complete the synchronization of the electronic Jacquard machine and the loom. Install the vertical shaft or chain, and adjust the panel of proximity switch, the highest position of the knife. 3. According to the technical requirements of the weaving factory such as fabrics, the harness is carried out. At the same time, the corresponding hook file is written. 4. Reading. Usually, the corresponding test file needs to be used, and the up and down reading of the warp yarn is manually adjusted. 5. Debugging of looms, harness, and reading. 6. Debugging of electronic Jacquard machines. Usually, the test file, 5-3 EP, and the design files provided by the weaving factory are used for debugging. Please note that the height of the lifting knife of the electronic Jacquard machine should be adjusted so that does not produce mechanical shock. Long-term mechanical shock will shorten the service life of the electronic Jacquard machine. Seven. Overall debugging of weaving equipment. The working environment and working conditions of the electronic Jacquard machine. Working speed, working temperature, load, fabric, etc. has been fixed at this time. State C. Acceptance by the weaving factory. The weaving factory accepts weaving equipment, mainly including looms, harness, and electronic Jacquard machines. State D. Normal weaving. Before the electronic Jacquard machine reaches its service life, it is in normal weaving state most of the time. During this period, the following may occur. D1. Replacement the vulnerable part of electronic Jacquard machines. For example, modules, lifting knives, etc. The service life of modules of the Stauble system is generally 3 years. The service life of modules of the S and S system is generally 2 years. D2. Changes in working environment and working conditions. The changes in the working environment and working conditions of the electronic Jacquard machine actually change the working state of the electronic Jacquard machine. The changes in working environment and working conditions are divided into two categories: human-induced active changes and non-human-induced passive changes. Human-induced active changes include load, changing design files, working speed, changing harness, changing reading, changing warp beams, etc. As shown in the evolution process of the working state on the right side of the above figure. Change working conditions and working environment. Non-human induced passive changes include D2.1 working temperature. For example, winter and summer, holidays, etc. D2.2 working humidity. For example, rainy season, dry season, etc. D2.3 sudden power outage of the power grid, sudden power supply of the power grid, etc. D3. Regular kept. The electronic Jacquard machine requires regular kept. For example, check the height of lifting knives, add lubricating oil, keep clean, sweep dust, etc. D4. Repair or overhaul. Once a problem with the fabric is found, enter state E for repair or overhaul. D5. Technical transformation. If the weaving factory finds that the weaving equipment cannot meet the weaving requirements and needs technical transformation, please contact me directly. State E. Repair or overhaul. In essence, repair or overhaul mainly depends on the technical level of the engineer. Usually repair or overhaul requires checking or adjusting the height of lifting knives, which is more complicated. If you have any problems, please contact us. We are willing to provide free technical support. The working status of the electronic Jacquard machine is related to the credibility of the original data. For example, real-time online detection data. The system supports automatic judgment of changes in working status. It's just that the credibility is lower than that of manual changes. For details about credibility, please contact me directly or watch the relevant video. Please let us know if you have any doubts. We are willing to provide free technical support. At the same time, we learn from engineers. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.